Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PC to your phone using Xender. First, ensure Xender is installed on your mobile device and a web browser is open on your computer. It's crucial that both your PC and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This ensures a direct and efficient connection. Once confirmed, simply open the Xender application on your phone to begin the process. Now, let's establish the connection. On your phone, within the Xender app, locate and tap the Connect PC option. Simultaneously, on your computer, open your web browser and navigate to web.xender.com. You will see a unique QR code displayed on your computer screen. Use your phone's camera to scan this QR code, and the connection should be established almost instantly, typically within a few seconds. With the connection active, you can now easily transfer files. Your phone storage will be visible directly within your computer's web browser. To send files from your PC to your phone, simply drag and drop them into the Xender web interface. Conversely, to download files from your phone to your computer, just click on the desired items. Transfers are typically very fast, often completing within a few seconds for smaller files. To ensure security and privacy, always remember to disconnect your phone from the PC once your file transfers are complete. You can usually find a disconnect option within the Xender app on your phone or by closing the browser tab. For the best experience, always use a stable Wi-Fi connection, as this significantly impacts transfer speeds. Xender supports a wide array of file types, from documents to large video files.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.